Guys, listen. We gotta talk, because some of y'all out there are saying, man, I want to become an elite waiver, but don't do the things that it takes to become an elite waiver. Man, if there's anything I've learned from becoming an elite waiver is that it takes hard work, consistent dedication, and even time. The things that upset me is that you guys are saying, man, I want to be the next 360 Jeezy. Or I want to be the next Sir Cruz.
See, I'm kind of wolf and heavy.
Or I want to be the next Nick Wavy. But most of y'all are just sitting around doing nothing, saying woulda, coulda, shoulda, and ain't doing. Guys, it's not just me getting on you right now. I know what it's like, alright? I've been where you guys are. I've been in those stages of having no waves, nothing at all, And then seeing little ripples when you're in the bathroom and you're brushing, you see those little ripples. And you're just so excited that all your work is starting to pay off. So now where I am, as of having full 360 waves. Guys, I know what it's like. I know what it's like being in the mirror saying, man, maybe I just can't get 360 waves. Or saying, it's just too hard. Trust me though, if you want it bad enough, you can get it. But all you have to do is have grind and determination, and you will get there. Guys, just look at 360 Wave Process. This man, he's a great example of if you put in the work, the results will show. And this guy's out here making brushes, do-rags, whatever it takes for him to be successful. And to me, that is a great example of being elite. Listen to me when I say this. When you start making excuses, that's when you're not elite. If you want to be elite, you can't make excuses. So when you start making excuses again, you become average again. So I'm done making excuses. It's time for me to step up my game. Because if there's one name you will never forget, it will be it's 360 Woods. And I'm out.